How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another edition of Alex Tech. Today we're going to be reviewing the second generation Echo with a built-in Dolby sound. So let's get started. Upon looking at the box, it is very small, weighing at about 1 pound. So it does have definitely its features. It has even a far-field voice controller. On the sides, we have thousands of skills, including Spotify, Pandora, TuneIn, etc. Okay, and then also looking at the back, we also have all the things you can do with it as well, like make hands-free calls, voice control your smart home, and always getting smarter as you put this into control with your TV and so forth. And also on the next side of the box, we just have where it says Echo and the small little 3 feature, which is Alexa voice service, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. Okay, upon opening this box, let's go ahead and get this started. So a little bit of a strip here that we just need to peel off. After doing so, you basically just lift up the lid, small little lid on top, and as you can see, it is well packaged. You have like a little tiny strap here you can pull the Echo from, and it seems very well packaged. As we can see, it is not only well packaged but also well put in. You see they really took their time, weighing about almost close to about pound and a half. Now, in order to remove the Echo, you basically just pull it out or slide it to the right or left, and it should just come off easily. Okay, and then on the bottom part of this, we go to pull it off, and then we are greeted with the following accessories. We have a 21 watt cable charger for our Echo. And we are also having the manuals and some of the skills that the Echo can do. Okay, and so let's go ahead and also we do have plastic wrappers all around the device, so we can go ahead and take those off. And they do come off fairly easy. I like how nice it is. You do feel the mesh of on the outside of the Echo. It is very comfortable and non-slippery, so it's easy to grasp on. Now, I do have the first generation Echo on the left, compare that to the right. And as you can see on the new one, you have a far field voice control, which are 7 little microphones. And then on the left of it, you only have 1. So what that means is that your new Echo will have a better hearing capability. So that the device can hear your voice from afar away. Okay, and then on the back of it, we do see the output for the charger, as well as it has an auxiliary port. And I just did a small size comparison here, as you can see, the first generation comparing the size of the second generation. The second generation are looking a lot more like 4 inches taller than the first, but overall it does look a little bit more premium than my first generation. And now let's go ahead and get started with the sound comparison test. Okay, this is at maximum volume. Let's go ahead and pause this one. we need to mute the second generation so we can hear the first generation here. Okay, here we go. Volume 10. Alright guys, so now let's go ahead and get started with the second generation. As you can see, the first generation is muted. Okay, and now we're gonna do the sound test for the second generation. This is a volume 10. Alexa, volume 10. Okay, so this is good to get really loud, but we're only gonna play a small little piece because it has the Dolby sound system built in there with the speaker. So give me 1 sec here. Wow, guys, that was, you can feel the bass off my desk. That was really strong. So I really recommend, I mean, if you're gonna upgrade from the first generation to the second generation, you will get that huge sound improvement. So I highly recommend that. Okay, it is worth it. Again, thank you guys for watching this review of the Echo second generation for 2017. I definitely highly recommend this for those that are looking for a higher premium sound than the first generation Echo. I will leave the link down below where you can of course purchase it. And again, thank you again for watching and taking your time. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. We'll see you on the next one.